And settlement aita?
No, my lords.
She is not ready.
Who is not ready?
Wife.
Wife is not ready.
Oh.
My lords, the petitioner is addicted to bad habits, my lords. They are
Bad
not,
habits?
please, my lords, they are not intended to
Husband has
send.
bad habits. What? Drinking, smoking.
Yes,
Nowadays it is all court.
Nowadays it's common now. What, sir? Bad habits common. We will not force anybody to settle.
Yes.
This common merits.
Lord, challenging them, Lord, proceedings.
Relying on 125(4).
Yes.
She has on herself left the house
Yes.
and gone, so I will not pay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ?
10,000 interim
ಕೊಡಿ. What are you? Project engineer. 75,000 per month. Enhance ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇವ್ರೇನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
without there being a willful desertion on the part of the husband, whether 125 proceedings could be initiated.
Every husband will say there is no willful
No,
desertion. She has left on her own. But ಎಲ್ಲ bad habits ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Anyway, that you settle interim maintenance ಅಲ್ವಾ? I will not interfere. And settlement ಆಯ್ತಾ?
no, my lords.
She is not ready.
Who is not ready?
Wife.
Wife is not ready.
Oh.
My lords, the petitioner is addicted to bad habits, my lords. They are
Bad
not,
habits?
please, my lords, they are not intended
Husband
to
has
send.
bad habits. What? Drinking, smoking.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, sir.
Allah.
How will you know?
Nowadays it is all court.
Nowadays it's common now. What, sir? Bad habits common. Yes, we will not force anybody to settle.
Yes.
This common merits.
Lord, challenging them, Lord, proceedings only on the ground that 125 is attracted. Lord, when there is, Lord, willful desertion. Here there is no question of.
Relying on 125(4).
Yes.
She has on herself left the house
Yes.
and gone, so I will not pay.
And that is forthcoming from the notice what I have been issued, the mediation report before the trial court.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ?
10,000 interim
ಎಷ್ಟು?
10,000 interim maintenance.
10,000 ಕೊಡಿ.
But so far as
What are you? Project engineer. ಎಷ್ಟು? 75,000 per month. Enhance ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇವ್ರೇನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
but the fact remains that without there being, Lord, willful desertion, Lord, petition cannot be maintainable.
Without going to?
Without there being a willful desertion on the part of the husband, whether 125 proceedings could be, Lord, initiated.
Every husband will say there is no willful
No,
desertion.
it is borne out from.
She has left on her own.
Kindly see, Lord, since conciliation report, Lord, I have produced at page 31. May I just read? Husband denied all allegations. Husband ready to take back the matter, but the wife rejected. So, Lord,
But ಎಲ್ಲ bad habits ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Allah, that is not the, Lord.
Anyway, that you settle interim maintenance ಅಲ್ವಾ? I will not interfere. Yes. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated 12/11/2024 by which the wife is granted interim maintenance at rupees 10,000. Heard so and so. The petitioner is the husband, the respondent wife. The two get married on 23/6/2018. It transpires that the marriage between the two flounders. On floundering of the relationship, several proceedings are initiated. One such proceeding is a petition seeking maintenance invoking section 125 of the CRPC. The concerned court answering the application awards interim maintenance at rupees 10,000. At rupees 10,000. 10 or 15?
15, my
15
lords.
is the.
15,000.
I'm sorry.
My lord.
At rupees 15,000. It is this has driven the husband to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel, Srinivas Pinayak, appearing for the petitioner, submits that the wife has on her own volition deserted the husband and moved to her moved to her parental house, and therefore the payment of maintenance is exempted as obtaining under subsection 4 of section 125 of the CRPC. The learned counsel would submit that maintenance that is awarded is on the higher side. Therefore, it should be tweaked or obliterated. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent seeks to submits that the wife did not move away from the house, but it is the husband's torture that led her to move away from the house. And therefore, subsection 4 of section 125 would not become applicable in the case at hand. Nonetheless, it is only an order of interim maintenance at rupees 15,000, that is arrears ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
Please.
Notes. I have given my anxious consideration submissions made by the respective learned counsel and I perused the material on record. The order that directs maintenance, directs payment of maintenance at rupees 15,000 is on cogent reasons, as the petitioner is working as a project manager and is earning about 75,000 a month, and therefore the amount that is at 15,000 is not exorbitant for this court to interfere in exercise of its jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. The other submission that the wife has herself deserted the husband or the house on her own, deserted the husband or the house, and the payment of maintenance is exempted under subsection 4 of section 125 is noted only to be rejected, as the matter is at large before the concerned court, and it is for the concerned court to take note of those submissions as well. In the light of the order not warranting any interference, the petition stands rejected.